What's up? My name's Technoba here for Troubleshoot and welcome back to another video. In this quick video, I'll be showing you how to fix a simple issue in Adobe Audition. I've simply opened up an audio file and dragging from the very bottom of this main editor window up, you'll see a spectrogram. You can also go View and Show Spectral Frequency Display, Shift D, you can toggle it as well. When you have this open, you can of course select a specific length of time, and you can also draw a box around specific frequencies here to only hear those frequencies. This way you can pinpoint noise, etc, etc. Now, if you play this and you hear all of the frequencies, it simply ignores whatever you have selected here, then don't worry, you're not alone. All you have to do is right-click this play button at the very bottom and choose Play Spectral Selection only. When this is ticked, it will follow the rules of whatever you select here. Otherwise, if it's not ticked, it'll simply play everything as if you had drawn a box around all of it. Super annoying, I have no idea why this is a feature, but it is. Anyways, that's really about it for this quick video. Thank you all for watching, my name's Technoba here for Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao!